Hello children, welcome to in your computer class. So today in computer our topic is chapter number 7, starting and shutting down a computer. Today we will do some exercise related to the chapter. In our previous class we already studied about that. Again we will do some revision. So here, as we know, the computer is an electronic machine, and to operate every electronic machine we have to learn the power way to start and shut down them. So when we use any kind of electronic machine like refrigerator, mixer grinder or air conditioner or any washing machine like that, so we have to follow some rules. We should on it properly or off it properly. So here, as we know that computer is also a machine, we will follow some rules. That is what? Starting a computer, switch on the power supply button. First of all, see, power supply button is there, we have to switch on it. Then press power switch off the UPS. So here we have to press the UPS. It is a kind of box where okay. Now next, press the power switch of CPU. So here you have to press the CPU, then press the power button to on the monitor. See, one button, it is here, you have to press it. So this is the way you should follow it, then it will switch on. The next, once you follow these steps, the computer is on and you will see the Windows screen. It is called desktop. See, one window on the screen. It is called desktop. The small images on desktop are called icons. See, very small images are here. These are called icons. And at button, a start button is placed. See, one start button is placed over here. So this is the way you can on it. So यहाँ पर हम देखेंगे कंप्यूटर या कोई भी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस को जब हम ऑपरेट करते हैं, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमको हाउ टू स्टार्ट इट एंड हाउ टू शट डाउन इट, इसको कैसे ऑन करना है, ऑफ करना है, इस रूल्स को पहले फॉलो करना पड़ता है. ओके, नाउ कंप्यूटर के में फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमको जो पावर स्विच सप्लाई बटन होता है जहाँ से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मिल रहा है उसको ऑन करना पड़ता है. देन यूपीएस, देन सीपीयू को प्रेस करना पड़ता है, देन मॉनिटर को. आफ्टर दैट इट विल ऑन. We should follow these rules and it will on. Then say first of all जब हम कंप्यूटर का जब ओपन होता है देन फर्स्ट स्क्रीन जो हमको दिखता है दैट इज़ विंडोज़ स्क्रीन में जो दिखेगा दैट इज़ नोन एज डेस्कटॉप. ओके, डेस्कटॉप दिखेगा और साइड में जो है हमारा कुछ आइकॉन्स दिखते हैं, स्मॉल स्मॉल आइकॉन्स, जिसमें जाके हम अपने गूगल है लाइक गूगल क्रोम है एंड अदर फाइल्स मैनेजर्स आर गिवन ओवर हियर. तो यहाँ हम जाके we can do our work here. We can watch music and anything, we can watch anything. Okay, so after that, shutting down on computer. When we use a computer, after that it is very necessary that we should shut down it properly. किसी भी कंप्यूटर को यूज़ करने के बाद, ऑन करने के बाद, देन लास्ट में इट इज़ वेरी नेसेसरी कि हाउ टू शट डाउन इट. इसको शट डाउन भी, बंद करना भी बहुत प्रॉपर वे से चाहिए. वंस अ कंप्यूटर इज़ ऑन, इट इज़ नेसेसरी to shut down the system properly after its use. To shut down, use the following steps. Okay, here some steps are given over here. Hold mouse, click the mouse pointer on the start button on the desktop. Okay, here start button is given over, you should click it properly. Then click on the shutdown option. स्टार्ट बटन को जैसे क्लिक करेंगे वहाँ पे बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस दिखेंगे. देन शटडाउन वाला ऑप्शन यू जस्ट सी एंड यू जस्ट क्लिक इट with the help of mouse. Okay, Then after that, switch off the monitor. See, here one button is there. You should switch off it. Then switch off the CPU and UPS. Okay, both the things you switch off. Last, switch off the power supply button. So this is the way you should follow always. Here's some quick review. Starting a computer also means booting. One more name is there. Starting a computer also means booting. The first screen on the computer is called desktop. Once computer is started, it should be shut down properly, and we can open programs using start button. So these are the some facts of the computer. Now one activity is given over here. First of all, arrange the order of the starting a computer by giving number in the circle. So some things are written over here. We should arrange it according to starting a computer. So on UPS, on CPU, on monitor, on power supply. First of all, we should on power supply, then on CPU, then on then on UPS, then CPU, then monitor. This is the process of starting a computer. Next activity, arrange the order of shutting down a computer by giving number in the circle. So here what should you do? See, first of all, start button. You just click the start button, then go for the shutdown. Click over here, then off monitor, then off CPU, then UPS, and last of the power supply button. Just opposite of this. स्टार्टिंग जो कर रहे हैं उसके जस्ट बैक काउंटिंग के जैसा है. ये फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग के अकॉर्डिंग जाएगा, ये उसके जस्ट बैक काउंटिंग के अकॉर्डिंग जाएगा. So this is the way to start a computer and shut down a computer. Okay. Now next exercise you should do. Tick the correct answer. Okay. Starting a computer means off or on. So the correct answer is on. Start button is present at bottom or upper. So it is on bottom, at bottom. Okay. Computer need dash to start. Electricity. Yes. Fourth one. Icon dash images on desktop. Icon are small. Okay. Next, fill in the blanks. Choose the word from the box. So here, to start computers, switch on the dash button. So the correct answer is power supply button. Very first screen of computer is called desktop. Okay. The third one is, see the picture. It is a symbol of, this is known as window. Window is symbol of start. Okay. We can open programs using start button. Okay. Now next, unscramble the following words and match the columns. Okay. Here what should you do? Some spellings are given over here. Unscramble it. See. MNOTIRO. So the correct one is monitor. MONITOR, monitor. Second one is switch. SWITCH, switch. The third one is icons. ICONS, icons. Fourth one is desktop. DESKTOP, top. Desktop. The last one is power. POWER, power. So you have to do the activity, do the exercise. Thank you. Have a nice day.